Hi everyone, Ellen Marfil here. You might be wondering why we will subtitle in dialects. Well, last pandemic, we helped produce a short film, No Trespassing, in Bacolod, and the actors all spoke in Hiligaynon. Of course, there was subtitle in English, but it was a wake-up call for me. Iba ang tama. And I remembered when I visited Tokyo Science Museum, there was a game on how to save the planet. One is through science, like food production and technology. The other was through social affluence, like education, arts, and culture. And I learned that cultivating dialects pala is a way to save the planet. More on this next time. Just follow us here in Peliculab for more.
Mali payon kami. Mismo. Buhay na tatay. Ang mga manguan ko. Manisaya.